This week's genre focus is biographies. A biography is a written text to inform the reader about a real person. So it is nonfiction, which means it's real, and the author's purpose is to inform you about this person's life. So they're giving you facts and information. Here we share facts in chronological order, which means the order in which they happen following a specific timeline. So our lives have timelines, just like the people that we read about in the biographies. We were born, we were 2, when we were 4 years old, we went to school, and so on and so forth. So again, we're following this person's chronological order of their life in a biography. It's narrated by an author who is not the person in the book. So it is going to be in third person narrative. So what kind of pronouns would we hear in third person narrative? He, she, them, they. We'll hear the names of the people. A biography includes an author's opinion of the person. Not always, but it may include the opinions of the person writing it or the person in the biography. So a biography would include the childhood facts, such as when and where, when and where was the person born, family and education. And then the biography may include challenges that this person faced in their lives, such as what obstacles did the person overcome, what events or people shaped the person's life. The biography may include traits, the physical traits, characteristic traits, or how would you describe the person? And finally, their legacy. This is what impact did the person have? What is the person remembered for or known for? Because a biography is going to most likely be about a person who is famous or has made a positive impact in the world, such as Dr. Martin Luther King or many of these others. Some common features in biographies are dialogues and quotes, where the person is telling us, or the biography is including something that came directly from the person they're talking about. Dates and locations, timelines, and theme or message, which is the lesson learned. During today's read aloud, we read a biography about Eleanor Roosevelt, and we also got to look at her home. And so we are now going to watch this brain pop to inform us more about the biography of Eleanor Roosevelt.